Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Callie. I'm the creator of Glazed Epoxy, and today I'm going to show you how I did this little cup right here. It's like a mug style, and I think it turned out so pretty. I'm obsessed with like these designs. I don't know if there's a word for them. Like, I feel like there should be a word for this, but the only thing I could find on Pinterest is like a wood wall hanging. But what inspired this cup was we live in our RV and we remodeled it, and it's so cute inside. I love it. But the sliding glass door to go to the back room, or the garage part, which is the kids' room, me and my husband did a wood wall panel just like this, but it's like a big door, obviously, but it's this style. And I'm just obsessed with the look. Like, I can't even, we love like the Scandinavian style, just kind of white, bright stuff everywhere with little accents of black and like light woods and stuff. So I just thought it would be the perfect thing for our RV. And I am obsessed with that door. Like, we've been in our RV for a year and a half now, and I don't ever want to change it. It looks so cool. So seeing that, and then seeing things on Pinterest like this, which I kind of want to make it matte and see what it will look like matte. So maybe I will do that at the end of the video, and I'll show you what it looks like completely matte. I love it. I think this one is mine. I'm going to keep this, and I even did 3 little gold triangles on the handle. It's so cute. Oh, and I did one on the bottom too. One of these little shapes. The gold little accents with the black and white is just to die for. So I think, in my opinion. So if you guys want to see how I got this cup, let's get into the video. So I'm using this cup that I found at either Ross or TJ Maxx. I find so many cute things there. I don't know how much it was. The price sticker was ripped off, but it was probably around $10. So first thing, I prepped it with vinyl sand, of course, then spray painting it white with just the Rust-Oleum flat white. Then did a layer of epoxy. I just used the DIY Epoxy Artisan Fast Set. So then after that was dry, I cut out my stickers. I have a silhouette machine, and I just took different triangles and just kind of figured out the measurement I wanted and cut those out. And this side was a lot easier to do than the other side because this is just 3 triangles, and I just kind of eyeballed it on there. And I have tried a couple transfer tapes with like the grid on there. The grid does make it really easy, but I feel like they just don't work as good as tape. I don't know. So if I don't have to use the grid, I prefer tape still. I just haven't found a transfer tape that I really like. So then this was the hardest part of this cup, just figuring out what size to make these triangles and shapes. then I just flipped it over so that I could put it on from the bottom. So then these two shapes, I just did triangles and then I put another triangle on top. I use the overwrap to make all my little things, so it was pretty easy to do with that. But just the angle from the side triangles is not exactly the same. And then these two pieces weren't supposed to touch. The thing I was looking at for inspiration, they weren't actually touching, so I made these a little bit too big. But I ended up liking how it turned out anyways. I just feel like, you know, if you want this cup to be perfect, you need to do a little better job of measuring and getting all the proportions and angles right. But I am surprised at how good it turned out for me just kind of guessing and, you know, not knowing what I was doing. So then these little gold shapes were kind of hard too. I ended up just cutting out some triangles and then just taking scissors and cutting the sides off and then the little like indent in the bottom. Then I did a little triangle on the bottom, forgot to film it. And then I cut out these little tiny cute triangles. I just love when there's like a little extra detail where you don't always expect it. So then after that, I think I added 2 more layers of epoxy, and I think I did a final coat in just the regular. I did several in the fast set and just one final one in regular because somebody, my husband, leaned up against it with his sweatshirt and I had to do an extra layer and sand it down. And then after that, it was completely done.
All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below what you would like to see from me. Do you only want to watch Tumbler videos? Do you like all the art stuff? Is there anything specific that you would want to know about epoxy or techniques or colors or anything like that? Please let me know down below and I will be sure to film them for you guys. All right, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.